Good morning, children. Children, I welcome you all to today's session of Maths 1. And we will be solving and discussing the concept sheet of the topic pattern, right? Patterns are very, very interesting because they look very decent. Here, your eyes and mind need to be in sync to solve them. And you will be finding this topic very very effective for later part of your life because questions related to patterns generally come in all the higher examinations which are there, right? Now let us move ahead. In patterns, many kinds of patterns are observable: patterns of alphabets, patterns of numbers, and patterns of figures, right? You need to observe them very closely to identify which pattern or which is moving which way. So let us move. Now let us see the first one. See, it's a mathematical pattern. The first box 5, then 15, then 25, then 35. Now here it is observable that two consecutive boxes vary by 10. See, 5 and 15, the difference is 10. 15, 25, difference is 10. Right. So continuing with that, after 55 you are going to get what? 65, then 75, and then 85. After that 246, 246 numbers are repeating. 246 recurring digits. 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40. Then what to write? 30, 20, 10. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Just double of the previous number. 32. After 32 will be 64. Then 128. And then 256. Okay, numbers are multiplying by 2. Now see the fifth one here. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 is 50. Then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is 20. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is how much? 25. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 will be how much? See, we all know 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is 20. And see, before every number there is 1, that is 10. So 10 plus 10, 50 plus 20, and that will be how much? 70. Use your logic, don't go into calculation so easily. Now see, 2, 4, 6, 12, 4, 6, 8, 18, 6, 8, 10 is 24. Then 8, 10, 12 will be how much? 8, 10, 12, we add, see the 6 is getting added up. So 24 plus 6 will be how much? 30. Now I'm leaving the next two for you to do. Right? Okay, now see here, there are some triangles here containing some circles and some squares. So let us see the pattern of first 3, 4 and 8 are at the corners, and in between 12, 24 and 32. So it's simple that the two numbers multiply together to get the rectangular number. Circular numbers will multiply. 3 into 4 is 12. 4 into 8 is 32, and 3 into 24 is 3 into 8 is 24. Now let us do the B part. Now in the corners the numbers are 30, 25, and the third number is missing. So there is a hint in the box. So let us see the first. So it is 30 multiplied by 25. So this will be how much? This will be 750. Second, now let us find the corner one. So in the center there is 1200, and in the corner there is 30. So we will divide the two, and we will see that the answer coming is how much? 40. So the corner digit is how much? 40. Right? And the rest calculation you can do. Right? This is how you need to solve these triangle and rectangles. Now beneath it there is another pattern given. Now 1 into 1 is 1, 11 into 11, 121, 11 into 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Now if it is 4 digit, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now here there are 5 digits. So it would be 1 2 3 4 5. See, 5 digits here, 5 digits here, and then the number will come back in a retarding order, right? So this is a very interesting thing. You can find lots of problems of pattern on the net also. Try to do that. It's very interesting and it's very simple. So I stop here. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did in making it. Until we meet again, it's a goodbye.